Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Apple ID, iCloud signed in, and location services permitted. Once ready, go to Settings and enable Share My Location under your Apple ID. This lets devices report position. Next, open the Find My app and switch to the People tab. Tap Invite to share location with a family member. Make sure you pick the correct contact and choose to share for 1 hour until end of day, or share indefinitely so the family link stays active. Once invited, the family member must accept the invitation from either the Find My app or the notification. This completes the pairing. After acceptance, confirm permissions. Grant precise location so you see exact positions rather than an approximation. If sharing an iPhone, enable location services and background app refresh to keep updates alive. Then configure Notify when found and tap directions inside the app for turn-by-turn routing to a missing device. These steps ensure reliable. To finish, review Advanced Controls in the Devices tab. Play sound to locate nearby, mark as lost to lock and display a message, or erase this device for urgent security. Make sure family sharing settings list the correct people and permissions. You can remove access if needed. If a device shows no location, troubleshoot by confirming it has network access, sufficient battery, iCloud signed in, and location services enabled. Then ask the family member to restart the device. This resolves most connectivity and reporting issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.